Look out, here she comes, the woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on, just to wake you up. When I dance around.
Can we take some time to appreciate how cute this little espresso machine is? Absolutely stunning. I really like the color, the green, the gold. It's not too small, it's not too big, just the right size for my kitchen. I really love it. So the espresso machine comes with this option to frost your milk, and obviously on the other side you can use it to make your coffee. You have this little, I don't know how to call this, but that's what you use to put your coffee inside, and you can get 2 shots or 1 shot depending on the side of the coffee that you want.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun trying all kind of coffee with this machine. I love the fact that I can directly frost my milk from the coffee machine without having to use something else, and I can't wait to try this on.
Together, if I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
I really love the mixture of black, gold and green. I think it makes the coffee machine look a little bit more expensive than it is. Now we've done with unboxing the coffee machine, it's time to go and make a proper brew. Let's do this.
I don't think that I'm being that selfish right now. You said yourself you'd be breaking your vow. I can understand you're tired of this town, and I'm not saying that we have to settle down now. Just remember this: we could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there, made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are. I guess I should have known. You said yourself you wanna do this alone. What if your dreams are making it hard to think straight? If you still love me, I can wait, I can wait. And remember this.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Hey, darling, I love it when it's me and you, on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey, darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count. Come on, let's take my hand. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count. Come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life. I wanna make it count. Come on now and take my hand.
This look absolutely stunning. And let me tell you something, it was just not looking stunning, it was tasting stunning. The chocolate roll melted inside and the sandwich was absolutely delicious. Full recipe of this beautiful sandwich on my YouTube channel. As usual, if you loved the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment down below, and I will see you on my next video. Kisses. Mwah.
Last night